छू लो आसमान, नए भारत की है नई पहचान। भर लो उड़ान, छू लो आसमान, नए भारत की है नई पहचान।
Hello everyone, I am Rinki Manikar from Skyline School, Jamshedpur. I study in class 9 and we are participating in Viksit Bharat Foundation 2025 organized by Ministry of Education and Government of India. Our project is titled Gravity Fed Bioremediation Unit for Grey Water under the theme Samriddhi Creating Pathway to Prosperity and Sustainable Growth. Across many rural and semi-urban areas, the grey water coming from sink, washing areas and bathrooms are often directly released into open drains. This not only causes waterlogging and foul odor, but also contaminates nearby soil, which affect both health and hygiene. In India, where every drop of water counts, we designed a self-sustaining bioremediation unit for which contains gravity and natural filtration. Thank you. Now Sonam Bade will explain materials used in our project. We began by studying traditional water purification system and modern wastewater treatment plant. While large-scale system use electricity, our goal was to make decentralized and eco-friendly solution that could be made by using eco-friendly solution. We used gravel and sand, pebbles, small stones, gravel and coal and cotton for purifying the water.
Our gravity-fed bioremediation unit is built as a vertical cylindrical structure divided into layers. Inlet chamber. Grey water from a household sink or bathroom enters here. Primary filtered layer. Large particles like hair or debris are trapped using a mesh or cloth filter. Filtration layer. Sand, gravel and coconut coir and activated charcoal work sequentially to remove turbidity, odor or chemical impurities. Our bioremediation layer. Pebbles coated with herbicide organic compound like detergents. The clean water exits through the pipe to reuse the water in gardening, cleaning or toilet flushing. Disha Hende will explain you the conclusion part of this project.
Our gravity-fed bioremediation unit demonstrates how simple nature-inspired engineering can solve real-world environment problems. It reduces household wastage by up to 60% and prevents wind pollution and promotes the use of treated grey water for non-beauty purposes. It is made up of pebbles, sand, coconut and charcoal, which are easily available and can be made, and this product can be made at home by 800 to 1000 rupees. It is extremely affordable. This product directly contributes to Samriddhi by building a self-sufficient and sustainability society.